So we picked up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hey guys, Mr. Thrifter here. Chris back with another video, and well, let's just see what we got today. So we picked up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 boxes of books today from someone who said that they worked in a thrift store and that they were also a book collector as well. So they just didn't want these books anymore, so they were looking to get rid of them. And so there's over 100 books in all of these boxes over here, and we're going to go through them and we're going to see exactly what's in them and see if there's any profit to be made. Alright guys, so going through this first box here, these books are pretty old and vintage, at least some of them. Some of them work pretty well for Amazon, some don't. Some are really high sales rank. There's like this one sells for like 30 bucks used, but it's got like a 3.2 million sales rank in the States. So it's something that like you have to kind of like think about. And for me personally, I've sold books with higher sales ranks than 3.2 million. So for me, it makes sense to just put this right into the US pile that I'm shipping off the US warehouse, just because I got them for free. I didn't really pay anything for them. And I've sold, like again, like I've said, I've sold books that have even higher sales ranks than 3.2 million in under 2 weeks. So it's not so crazy to see a book like that sell. So, and then these are all books that are kind of like old, like you got like these like dips and spreads, a little pamphlet. Like these things are probably worth nothing at all, but I like to go through them and just scan and see what, because you never really know. Even old books like this, even though they may look like this is probably not worth anything, the Fondue Party Cookbook, but you should just scan everything you see, because you really you really don't know what's worth anything and what is. And that's how a lot of like valuable books get tossed away, really, is people just think that they're not worth anything, and so they just toss them. But I'm going to go through all of these boxes here, and I'm going to update you guys on if I find anything that looks pretty cool. I just went through this box here, and now going through my second box, and a lot of it was just old cookbooks, kind of books that were not really worth that much. So I was kind of starting to get a little discouraged, because when you get free books from people, you really don't know. It's kind of a gamble. And then I noticed on this box here, it says FC, and all the boxes say FC. And my first thought was, oh shit, this is fulfillment center. This guy is an Amazon seller, and he just gave me all of his duds. But then I got to this book right here, and this book here is a book that in the States has a sales rank of 100,000 something, and selling for $14.99 at the moment, or it's selling it in Canada, has a rank of 15,000 and selling for $21. So it's just a matter of where I want to put it. Do I want to sell it maybe a little bit faster, putting it in the States and making $14.99 US, which is a little bit more than Canadian currency, or do I want to just throw it in the Canadian pile, cheaper to ship, faster to get to the warehouse, and it will maybe sell just as fast and make it in Canadian dollars at $21. So that's just something that I always think about. For me personally, I usually like to go the route of Canadian warehouse versus American warehouse, just because it takes a while for the book to get there. But we continue. Alright guys, it's next morning, and went through all the free boxes of books I got yesterday. They're all over there, and here is what we got. So we got a pile of books for the States and a pile of books for Canada. So this is going to be equal to like about 2 boxes worth sending to the Amazon warehouses. So that's all we got out of these boxes. But again, I got them all for free. So it's 2 free boxes of good selling books going to Amazon. And just don't look at the mess over here. I got a bunch of books that I have to go through still. Some of these books are for sale on Facebook Marketplace at the moment. Some of them I have not even touched yet. It's just a huge mess. I'm also trying to just clean out the garage at the same time, trying to cut down on the amount of space. I'm trying to make more room in here because we're about to be redoing the basement over here. So we're trying to just make more room. So yeah, guys, there are plenty of ways for you guys to make money selling books on Amazon. This is just my method of doing it, but there's so many ways and so many opportunities, especially right now, because like I said, a lot of thrift stores are closed at the moment, and this is the time to be getting free things from people because, again, people just want to donate. So thanks for watching, and if you guys have any questions or anything, just let me know. I'm very fast, and I will see you in the next one.